When I was 12 years old, I had come home from sixth grade with a math assignment, and I didn't want to do it. My dad kept saying, do your math, and I just sat at the table, and I dug my heels in. I said, I don't care, I'll sit here all night. I don't want to do this. This is miserable. And after a couple hours of just sitting there and giving me a stern look of disapproval that was not being effective, my dad just said, you know what, Kev, you don't have to do this. You know what, we can play outside. Why don't you just go on, put on your snow gear, and let's just go play outside. You don't need math. And I was like, oh, well, that's just a spin. I won.
What a dad.
I won. So I went outside, and he grabbed this. You remember this is Anchorage, Alaska during the winter. So he grabs a shovel, and he says, "Hey, let's build a snow fort. What I need you to clear this big area out of the yard. And like the yard is where all the snow collects, so it's probably 3 feet deep. He's like, just clear a spot so we can build a snow fort. I'm going to go put my stuff on, and I'll be out in a minute." So I start shoveling, and I shovel. And he comes back out, and he's got a jacket on, but no boots or anything. He just says, "Hey, wait a second. I got to take a phone call. Keep shoveling, but I need a spot, roughly the size of a pickup truck." So I shoveled for probably an hour because I was so excited about the snow fort Dad was going to build with me. And he came out after an hour and he said, "All right, we're done. Come on inside." And I was like, "Well, what about the snow fort?" And he goes, "No, the shoveling was your lesson. You're either going to be good at math or good at a shovel, but you're always going to have a skill and be employable."
What a smart man. What a blessing to have a dad like that.
We are live every Friday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time in Columbia, South Carolina, at 100.7 FM, Make the Point Radio. Thank you for tuning.